Hello guys! So for today's video, I'm gonna cook the sweet spaghetti, Philippine style spaghetti. This is the Fiesta spaghetti sauce. This is sweet one, and the cheese, grated cheese, and the ketchup, pasta, bell pepper. I'll show you, garlic, onions, and the condensed milk, and also the minced meat. So now first thing I did, I need to clean the minced meat. I need to wash it, not properly washed, but I need to wash it with water so that the excess, I think it's not yet really fully clean, so I need to clean it. The garlic, one thing I did for the garlic so that it's easy to sayon ra siya kaayong kung ano ipil. So one thing I like that it is easy, really easy. It's not really hard, like that. Then it's easy like that, you can peel it really easy. You don't need to dili na ka mag sticky thing. So now I do it like this. Yeah, I'm not a professional cook. So mana siya guys, butang nato i-separate nato the bell pepper. I'll do last the onions because makakuan siya, maghilak akong mata. So I'll do the last the onions. So i-slice ra nako siya paana siya para dali ra siya ma-slice. So later I will do this one because I will cook another one. I will leave the akong ikuan. So humana siya, na-slice na. I'm finished slicing the bell pepper. So next one is the onions. So makahilak man ni siya matagod. Muna akong last one ay kahilak siya mata. So slice na to. So I only use the half because the half one later because I need to cook vegetables. I'm allergic of onions because my eyes is crying. So I'm done. I'm done now. So it's all done. It's all done. I'm crying. My eyes is crying. Oh my god. Now I need to add water for the pasta. I need to boil water for pasta. Yeah, just boil that water. Put a little bit salt. This is for the pasta. I wait to boil that one. And cover this one with the lid. I will add an oil on it. Not much. Like that. Now I just add the brown meat. Yeah, make it like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. I washed this one already. So now I smash it very like that because I don't have any tools. Now, iset aside nato siya ha. Iset aside nato kay atong ibutang ang garlic. This is the garlic. Then onions. Gidagko ra na akong onions. Kapoy nagagmay-gagmay sa onions. Dagko ra siya. Ako ang rabitaw na malanay. So atong i-opening pasta kay nagbukal na. The water, nagboil na ang water. So unbox the pasta. Look at the pasta. I use the Napoluna. It's an Italian pasta. So now, it's all ready. So let's put the pasta. That. Make sure it's perfectly put there. Okay, like that. So it's okay. Waiting for 8 to 10 minutes for the pasta. So okay na ang kuan Bisag dagko siya ang onions pero okay na. So let's put the bell pepper. Yeah, bell pepper. So, okay ng bell pepper. So, i-mix na nato na siya. I-kuan, ana na. So that, yeah. Atong ukay-ukayon, para dili siya mo kuan pilit. So that it will not sticky. I put a little bit water so that it will not really sticky inside to make it more soft inside. So let's add the sweet sauce of the spaghetti. So the 1 kilo sauce I put all together in here. So I forgot to put the little bit salt and the ground pepper. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry for that. I forget it's better for. Now it's okay. Look at all the sauce in here. Then this one is really soft. Now it's ready. It's really soft now. So I add the meatballs. I don't put the sauce because the meatballs is in the cans. So I just add only the meatballs. Let's add a little bit of tomato ketchup. What happened? This one is sticky. Start recording. It's sticky. So a little bit of ketchup. Then mix it. Mix. Ato sang i-drain ang pasta, guys. Let's drain the pasta. It's really hot. Okay. Now it's drained. So let's set aside. Let's put in here. Okay. So let's put the condensed milk. Condensada milk. Let's put a little bit. Just a little bit. Not much. To make it taste like a little bit sweeter. So now I need to put the pasta. Ako na ibutang ang pasta. Kay humok naman siya. Akong gikamot. I wash my hands already. So, ginagmay lang, butang. Kaya para makuan siya. Ma'am. Okay. Here. Thing is here. So, gibutang na nako tanan. Butang na nako tanan. Wow. So, now I put the grated cheese. Grated cheese at the top. More grated cheese at the top. So let's taste my spaghetti. Wow. Oh. So yummy. So yummy. So more cheese, more cheese. Okay. More cheese. I will put this one here. Okay. Now let's test. Wow. It's delicious. Really sweet spaghetti. Philippine style spaghetti. Now let's try it. I have the meatballs here. Let's try. Nice. Really good taste. Sweet spaghetti, Philippine style. Nice.